Hey there. See a charge on your Bank of America credit card statement you don't recognize or didn't authorize? Disputing it is your right, and Bank of America has a clear process to help you. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to start a dispute. Log into your account online or in the app, find the questionable transaction, and click on it. Look for the option to dispute this transaction or report a problem. You'll select a reason, like, I didn't make this purchase. Provide any details you have. Bank of America will typically issue a provisional credit while they investigate, which can take up to 90 days. They may also send you a new card with a new number for security. My crucial pro tip? Call immediately for widespread fraud. If your card was lost or stolen, or you see multiple fraudulent charges, call the number on the back of your card first. This gets the card canceled and the formal fraud process started faster than disputing individual charges online. That's how you act fast to protect your finances and your credit. Have you ever had to dispute a charge? What was the outcome? Share your experience in the comments. For more essential security guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.